I cannot believe that I'm doing this. I cannot believe I am doing this. It's the new memorial bridge over the Hoover Dam. You and me both got wall syndrome.
Yeah, right? Oh, wait, don't go too far.
Okay. All right. Sorry.
That's okay.
That's all right. I ruined that shot. I do not like this one bit. I do not like this. I don't know why I'm doing this. I do not know why. Oh my gosh! Stop it! Okay, I'm trying to look normal. Riri! I have no idea why I'm doing this. This is so stupid.
What's on the situation, sir?
Stop. Watch out, there's people there.
Oh my gosh!
Stop.
Dad! Are you okay?
Stop.
We're on this.
Where is he going?
He's gonna be fine, Dad. He's just
Where's he going?
going to the end.
Oh my gosh, Riri is freaking me out.
You want to put the camera over the edge?
Stop it! Stop! Stop!
I'm so sorry.
Stop. Juju, don't walk backwards, you're gonna trip. No, I'm not looking at you. Juju, stop it.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. We gotta.
I can't stop.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Riri, I'm counting on you to get good pictures. I can't even look.
Turn your head.
Stop it.
Please, just turn your head. Just turn your head. Once.
I'll close my eyes, see? I'd close my eyes. It doesn't bother me if I close my eyes. Watch out. Don't bump into those people.
Oh my gosh, Dad, I'm not gonna die.
Let me see if I can take a picture of Riri. Maybe I can do that. Okay. You got one?
Yeah, I got what I wanted.
Okay. So,
Oh my
over
God.
the edge. Stop. Okay. Stop. There's Juju. Let me see if I can get a picture of Juju here. Okay? As long as I don't look at anything over the edge.
What time tomorrow? What time Monday night are you thinking?
We'll be back probably between 8 and 9 would be my guess.
You might need to be there earlier.
Why? You got to work?
Can I have that camera because the camera is full?
Oh.
Can we just switch the disc or something? So I can get.
Okay. Here.
Don't look at anything.
Here you go.
Need help there?
It's full. What has she been taking? Let's see what.
Thoughts on the situation, sir?
What happened?
Stuck my head all the way over.
Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry.
Terry, whenever you're ready. Okay, hold on. I made it. I made it. Hey, guys, come here for a second. Harrison's here too. And Juju's here. Ruby's here. I made it. Okay.